another episode with Millie, and today we're going to be doing some slime, I think, because someone's supposed to be bringing, there it is, okay. So it's called All Mine, as you can see. I'm pretty sure it's closed. As you can see, it says All Mine. It says ages 3 and plus, who are 3 and older need to have this. It's one piece because it's a one set, but it's not all together, as you can see. Because that'd just be purple. Okay, so we're starting off with red. Okay, this is not right at all, people. So this is not right at all. And so, melt it. I think I'm gonna name this raspberry because it's like a raspberry color. I'm not quite sure. But at the end, I'm going to be doing a surprise mix with all of them. I'm going to take the blue out. I want to keep the blue because it's really, really pretty. Like I can, if you can see. So that's raspberry red. I'll put that in a little container right now. The little thing I had. Okay, time for orange. I'm going to keep this orange because it's the color orange. And so it's so cool. It's like a gummy bear, if you can make a gummy bear. Don't listen to the turbulence behind me. That's just my little sister. Okay. Here we have yellow now. I think I'm gonna name this like lemon or something because it's like as yummy as lemon. Wait, look. Snowy! 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 Down here in Canada is not fun. Well, I grew up in, down in Canada it is really fun. But I did grow up in London. But as I got to being 12, whenever I was 6, I was born in London until I was 5. And then it was my birthday when we got to Canada. And ever since I was 6, I've been living in Canada. That's been 6 years. And so, yeah. So this is like a yellow slime, and if it's yellow hair, but the lighting effects doesn't make it. But it's if I have to do this, and so it's you can see my fingers. Woo! Oh, okay, and you can see that this is amazing. Okay, let's put that back in here. So this is lemon. I'm going with lemon. Next up we have green. It's moldy. I'm going to green apple. I think it's green apple. Like what other fruit are there? Oh, lettuce. Well, this is not like a lettucey color, as you can see. It's not lettucey. Super. Okay, let me set it. Super stretchy, and it's a lot darker-ish. Oh. It's taking so long. Oh, if you hear me changing accents, it's because I have my Canada accent and I have my London accent. So I use both of them a lot. Okay, it's time for the beautiful, majestic blue. It's not majestic, but this is so pretty. So awesome. I'm gonna name this icy blue. So pretty. It's very, okay, I've never done purple before, okay. So I have to knight it. This is really pretty. I don't want to mix that, so I'm gonna set this over here. And then last but not least, purple. Oh, I think it's purple. Sorry about that. This purple is very weird looking. Here, I don't mix it off. It's very weird, and so this purple is very dark, but it's very clear to you. It's darker Sorry. And it's got sidetracked. And so, down here in Canada, this is amazingly majestic. So, okay, guys, so just to get this over with, I'm saying, how did you, okay, so, alright, I'm ready to mix this. Okay, there's purple. Okay, time to put the green in. Oh, I think I keep the green, guys. You guys need to tell me if I should keep the green. Okay, guys, tell me if I should keep the green. Like now. Like, I need it now. Well, I haven't even posted this yet. This is an awesome color. I don't think I should get rid of it. Yeah, well, actually, I am, so. I actually have to need it here. Let's put that. Okay, I got those two colors. Okay, I think I'm just going to put the blue in. It's not too dirty. It's not dirty because the blue is very plain. Purple. Stupidly crazy.
Like you.
Okay, now we have the green and purple mixed. It's time to get the yellow.
So can we go?
Let's get this yellow.
He said you would get us that thing that we went at Walmart.
Okay.
You're mixing them
And so,
excited?
I'm keeping the blue there. And so that is what it's like right now.
Well, I'll get mine.
Now I have this orange. This is so pretty. I don't know if I want to give this up yet. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Okay, put this in the container, as you can see. Okay, guys, comment down below if I should really give away, if I should really get rid of this. It's so pretty. Okay, I have to get rid of it. Okay, time to mix this beautiful beauty. As you can see, my sister, we're twins, but we don't look alike. We're the same age and we were born at the same time, but we don't look alike.
I mixed all my colors together except yellow because I had to give that to tan. I had to give that to my older brother. To our older brother. His name is Tanner.
Look how big that is, people. Isn't this amazing?
Yeah. Look.
She mixed her blue, like we both left out our color. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here now.
Okay, let's.
And so it's if you guys know Kinley from Minley and Kenley, then you would know that we're awesome at making videos. That's so weird, guys. Like it's like sparkles in one color.
Look, it's so glittery.
Okay, guys. So that's. Sorry. Okay, guys, that's it for my channel. And so that'll be it for today.
All right, that's okay.
Say bye. Say
Bye.
Bye.